This is Cooking with Jacob, a show following an autistic child's journey with food. We try to let Jacob be as independent as possible, like taking what we need or holding a bag. A tip we use is letting him experiment with the food or letting him be involved in the general cooking process. And here's his introduction.
Yeah.
We tried getting him to put gloves on, but he quickly decided that this batch would be for the family.
I know you did not do something. No. Say, no, I did not. One box at a time. One banana? How many bananas is this?
Banana.
How many?
2 banana.
In our effort to let him be independent, he opened a bag wrong and it went everywhere. It was a pretty funny moment, so we added his favorite TikTok sound. Another tip to have in mind, award good behavior. He was quick to lick up the mix we were using off the table. Bananas are not one of his safe foods, but we always let him try what we're cooking, even if he doesn't eat it. So a good pro tip is to have patience. We did applaud him for trying the banana by itself. After some explaining and demonstrating how to use a hand mixer, he was all set to hold it and use it on his own. Something to remember when introducing completely new foods, we held no expectations of him to actually eat it. Him just touching it is a win. So let them get familiar with new foods. And with sweets being a safe food of his, he just kept taste testing. And now this is Jacob assembling his own cup with guidance. He was sure to avoid putting bananas in. This is still a learning experience for us, but some tips we use to push through.
Goodbye.
And thank you for watching.